everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. I am just popping on to wish you all a happy Memorial Day, and then just share with you one of my military wreaths that I made today. You all know I do the military bows, and this one I think has turned out beautifully, but I did a wreath this time, and I'm just going to share it with you. Alright, so here is the wreath. So I do love this. Alright, this is what the wreath is looking like, y'all. I think it turned out beautifully. So, if you all have lost loved ones in the military, you have loved ones that are still in the military, that are still in the fight, this one's for you. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for your service. And may God continue to bless you. And to bless the United States of America in our current season, y'all. You all be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing.
It's the crafty corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for the loyal subs, showing love, shopping hauls and all. Happy meals and the sales, doing well, we don't fail. We bless, we prevail.